For my wastewater hoses, I have two. One is a short piece which I use regularly, but if I need to extend the hoses, I have a connector whereby which I can connect the two hoses together, and this allows me to get much further away from the RV or to the wastewater dump point as needed. I simply connect the two together and then I have one long piece of hose. Connecting the hose is simple. Take the cap off the wastewater connection, connect your valve, ensure the arms are locked in so it doesn't come off, then extend the hose out without any kinks in it so that the wastewater connects it. What I like to do is put a bag on the end of my hose. The reason for this is so that insects or mice, things like that, don't crawl back up the pipe and into my tank. When I need to extend the hoses, I simply connect one piece to the wastewater valve. The other end has a joiner on it. I connect my shorter piece of hose using the joiner, ensuring the clamps are tight so that it doesn't disconnect. And then I extend the hose out to ensure there's no kinks and the wastewater connects it. This allows me to have the hose much further away from the RV or to a wastewater point that is much further away.